The pilot came out! Hello everyone, my name is redacted for privacy reasons. And as you may know, I've been making funny Thomas the Train videos on YouTube for 5 years. And in general, I've been making them for longer than that. I've been making them for at least around 12 years. On the whole, I enjoy doing it. I've been a fan of Thomas for my whole life, and it's fun making videos for something that I enjoy. The question that you're probably wondering is, if I enjoy doing it so much, why don't I do it more often? Why are my uploads so inconsistent? The answer is actually pretty simple, dear viewer. I just have been feeling rather unsatisfied with the quality of my videos lately. My PC is old and isn't exactly built for running trains, and my wooden railway collection has stagnated over the years. The last engine I received was Skarloey back in 2019. It kinda makes it sound like the most logical thing at that point to do is to just retire the channel and move on with my life. But the thing about me is that I'm insane, so I came up with a solution. Introducing the Number1Thomasfan Patreon. Don't leave, hear me out fellas. Seeing as video production isn't cheap, and that on the Thomas the Tank Engine channel, ain't no way this channel's getting monetized. I need alternate means in order to make money so I can make these videos better for all of you. Cue the Patreon, where viewers like you can donate to me to help me improve the videos that I make for you all. There's a handful of tiers, and all money made from the Patreon will go into getting resources to help make more videos for you all to enjoy. This channel is simply a passion project, but all passion projects still require something to help them get off the ground. So Patreon was my solution to help ensure that this channel can still grow and thrive. This is the part where I make a vague legal statement. I am not affiliated with the Thomas the Tank Engine intellectual property, nor the company that owns the intellectual property, or anyone at the company affiliated with it. I am simply a fan making content for other fans to enjoy. It is not a replacement for the official licensed product. Please support the official release. But rest assured, the proceeds from the Patreon will all go toward helping videos improve. It will go toward buying new equipment, it will go toward helping me to buy a new PC, it will go toward buying new wooden railway models, maybe starting another collection that I could make videos about. We'll wait and see. And if you can't donate, well, that's fine too. I'm just glad you all stopped by, and I'm glad you enjoy my content. So if you're able to, consider subscribing. Every little cent counts. The link is in the description and channel bio.
Cheerio now.